Did you know that travel gear can cost you thousands over the years? In fact, the average American spends $1,200 annually on travel-related items. But here's the good news. Black Friday offers you the chance to slash those costs by up to 40% or more. Amazon's deals are packed with hidden gems that can transform your travel experience, whether you're packing smarter, upgrading your gear, or planning your next big adventure. Ready to travel better for less? Keep reading, and we'll show you how to take advantage of Black Friday sales for travel gear, tech, and more. Chapter 1. Unlock Hidden Gems. Exclusive travel gear at unbeatable prices. Black Friday isn't just about scoring discounts on expensive electronics. It's also your chance to find unique travel gear that can make your trips smoother and more enjoyable. Think about it. How often do you find a portable water filter, discounted up to 50%, just when you need it most? These filters are a game changer for those who love exploring off the beaten path destinations. Clean water on the go. What could be better? Another underrated gem is packing cubes. These small, zippered compartments help organize your clothes and essentials, saving space and reducing wrinkles. They're ideal for both short and long trips. And during Black Friday sales, you can pick up a set for half the usual price. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to dig through a messy suitcase. Travel essentials like neck pillows, travel blankets, and universal adapters are also available at a steal. Have you ever wished you had an extra adapter for that unexpected layover in a different country? Now's the time to grab one before your next trip. These small items can make a huge difference in how comfortable your journey is, and Black Friday discounts make it easier than ever to buy them without overspending. Chapter 2. Black Friday's Secret Weapon. Must-have travel tech on sale. Let's talk travel tech. The right gadgets can make your trip a lot easier. Black Friday is the best time to buy noise-canceling headphones, smart suitcases, and portable chargers. Imagine escaping the chaos of airport terminals with a pair of noise-canceling headphones, now available for up to 40% off. Smart luggage is another item you don't want to miss. These suitcases come with built-in tracking systems and USB charging ports, making them perfect for the tech-savvy traveler. If you travel frequently, a smart suitcase could save you time and reduce stress. And let's not forget about portable chargers. When your phone is essential for navigating and booking accommodations, a portable charger can be a lifesaver, especially when you're on the move. Camera gear is another area where Black Friday deals shine. If you're passionate about capturing memories, Amazon offers discounts on cameras, tripods, and lenses during the sale. The right equipment helps you capture beautiful moments and brings your travel photos to life, without paying full price. Chapter 3. Dream Destinations, Budget-Friendly Prices. How Black Friday can help you travel more. Traveling to your dream destination might seem like a distant goal, especially with the high costs of flights and gear. But Black Friday can make it much more affordable. With discounts on travel accessories, apps that help you find cheap flights, and even discounted travel guides, you'll have everything you need to plan your next getaway. According to travel experts, the average traveler spends over $1,500 a year on trips. A big chunk of that goes to flights, which is why finding a great deal on travel accessories can make a huge difference. Black Friday deals on Amazon give you the tools to book your next vacation without blowing your budget. Whether you need a durable backpack, waterproof gear, or a comfortable neck pillow, Amazon has it all. These small investments will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. And don't forget about luggage. Amazon's Black Friday deals make it easier to upgrade to something durable and stylish without spending a fortune. If you're planning an adventure, Black Friday also offers great deals on camping and hiking gear. Whether you're hiking through national parks or exploring the great outdoors, you can find discounted products that will make your trip more comfortable and safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and deals to save big on your next travel adventure. Chapter 4. Pack like a pro. Amazon's best Black Friday deals for organized travelers. Packing doesn't have to be stressful. In fact, with the right tools, it can be fun. Amazon's Black Friday deals are the perfect time to pick up packing cubes and compression bags that help you organize and save space. These simple products make a huge difference when you're trying to fit everything into your suitcase. For instance, compression bags help reduce the size of bulky items like jackets and sweaters. By sucking the air out, these bags create extra room in your bag, allowing you to pack more without exceeding your luggage weight limit. It's a must-have for anyone traveling with limited space. Packing cubes are another fantastic product on sale during Black Friday. They allow you to separate your clothes, toiletries, and electronics, making it easy to find what you need without emptying your entire suitcase. Traveling organized not only saves time but also makes your journey a lot less stressful. If you're a frequent traveler, consider investing in a travel organizer for toiletries or electronics. These items keep your essentials in one place, making it easier to access them during your trip. Plus, with the savings from Black Friday, you'll be able to buy these products without breaking the bank. Studies show that disorganized packing leads to an average of 10-15 minutes lost per day while searching for items. That's 10-15 minutes you could spend relaxing instead of stressing out about where you packed your charger. These small investments will help you make the most of your time. Chapter 5. Ready, Set, Adventure. Black Friday adventure travel deals. For those who love adventure, Black Friday is the perfect time to score deals on hiking, camping, and outdoor gear. Whether you're hiking the mountains or camping under the stars, Amazon has everything you need to make your trip more comfortable. Black Friday discounts on backpacks, sleeping bags, and tents make it affordable to gear up for your next adventure. A good backpack is essential for any adventure traveler. Look for one that's designed for comfort and durability, with plenty of compartments for your gear. During Black Friday sales, you can find high-quality backpacks at up to 40% off. These backpacks are lightweight, waterproof, and designed to keep your gear organized. Sleeping bags are another adventure essential, and Black Friday deals often feature discounts on top brands. Whether you're camping in the mountains or just need a good bag for a weekend getaway, a high-quality sleeping bag will keep you warm and comfortable. Don't forget about footwear. Hiking boots can be expensive, but Black Friday discounts allow you to buy premium brands like Merrell and Columbia for much less. These boots are built for tough terrain and will keep your feet comfortable on long treks. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a first-time traveler, Amazon's Black Friday deals offer everything you need to make your next outdoor journey a success. Chapter 6. Travel in Style. Luxury deals. You can't miss this Black Friday. If luxury travel is more your style, Black Friday deals on Amazon can help you travel in comfort and class without the high price tag. From designer luggage to high-end accessories, these luxury items will elevate your travel experience. One of the best deals you'll find is on high-quality luggage. Premium brands like Samsonite, Away, and Rimowa often have significant discounts during Black Friday. Whether you're looking for a carry-on or a full-sized suitcase, these pieces are designed to last, saving you money in the long run. A luxury travel pillow can also make a huge difference during long flights. Premium pillows offer better neck support and comfort, allowing you to sleep soundly while traveling. High-end travel pillows, often made from memory foam, are available at discounted prices during Black Friday sales. Luxury accessories, such as leather travel bags, designer sunglasses, and elegant passport holders, are also discounted during this time. These products not only add style to your trip but also make traveling easier and more organized. Traveling in style doesn't have to break the bank. Black Friday deals make it possible to upgrade your travel experience at a fraction of the cost. If you're enjoying these tips, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more travel hacks to save you time and money on your next trip.